What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy CP, and today we're going to be reacting to funniest kids test answers. So, reason why I decided to do this video is because I've always seen like kid test answers on Instagram, Twitter, a couple of YouTube videos, and I always thought they were pretty funny. So I figured why not do one of my own. So this first question says, Megan put some crayons in a box. She recorded the outcomes of 10 pulls. So for the first and the sixth one, she pulled out a green crayon, and the other pulls she pulled out orange crayons. So she put for the first answer, which color does the data show was pulled less often? Green. Okay, that's correct. Explain how that your answer is correct. My brain is always correct. All right, first, always only has one L. So I don't think your brain is always correct. Uh, Alright, this is clearly math class, so I guess grammar and spelling, they're not going to take points off, so... I mean, if I was a teacher, I would have to give her, like, half credit for that. Because, yeah, you're right, but at the same time, you're wrong. Alright, next one is, would you want to swim with the boy in the water? Circle yes or no. So the kid circled yes and said, explain your answer. No, because there's trash in the water and he's chubby. And the teacher put, not very nice. I mean, yeah, the trash part is correct, but again, like, if you ask me, you just did extra work for no reason by putting that he's chubby. What is with these kids? They don't know how to spell. Like, I understand they're kids, but chubby has two B's. Alright, but you know what? Again, see, I don't even know what class this would even be for. So this has to be like elementary homeroom. You know, like how in elementary school you had homeroom and then like you would just learn a variety of things. Like you wouldn't even have like one subject that you would learn. Like maybe one point in the day you would like do some math problems, then you would do some reading. But this looks like just one of the questions that are just out of nowhere. Has nothing to do with what you're learning. So next question. Haunted house subtraction. Okay, this is clearly math then. There were 4 ghosts. Then 1 ghost flew away. How many ghosts are left? 4 minus 1 equals... Kid put 0 because ghosts are not real. He's got a point. So, if I was a teacher... See, if I was a teacher and I saw some of these, I would probably laugh and have to give him points. I'm not going to give you full credit, but something like this, if I laugh at your answer, I gotta give you points for that because it's like a smart answer, but it's incorrect. So yeah, if it's like out of 5 points, I'm gonna give you like 3. I have to give you 3 for that one, or at least 2. Let's go to the next one. Draw a plant cell and identify its most important parts. It said no windows, iron bars. So it's literally a flower inside of a jail cell. See, if you had asked me this question when I was in 9th grade, I probably would have been able to give you the answer because my science teacher, she was a bomb. Shout out Miss Cantelli. But now I couldn't even answer this because it's been so long since I even thought about plant cells and all that. Alright, this is a classic one. I've seen this 100 times if I haven't seen it once. So, it says find x. So in math, find x, that's just algebra. But this savage over here, he literally circled it, put an arrow, and said, here it is. Wow. Sometimes I'm looking at these, I'm like, why didn't I think of that? I mean, I probably would have gotten it marked wrong, but still. You know, like, you ever be stuck on a question, and, like, you don't know the answer, and you just, like, I want to try to just put anything, but you don't know what to put. If I thought of some of this stuff, I feel like the teacher would laugh and, like, I gotta give him at least a point. At the very least, gotta give him a point. What ended in 1896? 1895. Technically, that's correct. So you you can't really say that it's wrong because technically it's correct. Please color. All right, 3 marks. The Danish flag. All right, the Swedish flag. I'm not sure if that's correct, but I'm not too familiar with foreign flags. I just know the American flag, the Costa Rican flag, the Puerto Rican flag, and the Canadian flag. That's pretty the only ones I can think of off the top of my head. And it says Finnish flag. He drew a finish line like the guy at NASCAR. That is that is hilarious. And the teacher gonna put no. You gotta give him points for that. You gotta give him points for creativity. Motivate your answer. Go answer. Go. Why does this remind me of Speed Racer? Go Speed, go. Yeah, I love Speed Racer as a kid though. Who is your hero? Write 2 things that make this person a hero. I am my own hero. First, I'm kind to myself. And second, I do things I want. You're just living your best life. And teacher gonna put a smiley face. I mean, I guess you could be your own hero, but just I don't think those 2 reasons should count. You know what's crazy? I'm looking at this. I don't even need to read the question. So what this kid did, he was taking a math test and it had the grid. So I'm guessing you had to plot the points or something like that. And I always like imagine this like anytime I would be taking math tests and like I would see a grid, the first thing I would think of is Tetris. But I would never like sit there and just draw out like an actual Tetris board. But another savage. He even put Tetris at the top and said Tetris is fun, math isn't. These kids are out of control. Briefly explain what hard water is. Ice. Hard water. See, I'd never heard of hard water, so maybe this is right, maybe this is wrong, but it's probably wrong. But yeah, high school graduate, and I never heard of hard water and soft water, so I couldn't tell you if this is right or wrong or not. But hey, who knows?